Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the MSI MPG 321URXW QD-OLED, a 32-inch UHD gaming monitor built for serious speed and stunning visual quality. This display features a 3840x2160 resolution paired with QD-OLED technology, delivering deep true blacks, vibrant colors, and impressive contrast. With VESA Display HDR True Black 400 certification and highly accurate color reproduction, it's not just great for gaming, but also ideal for content creation and high-resolution media work. Performance is where it really shines. You're getting a blazing 240 Hz refresh rate and an ultra-fast 0.03 milliseconds response time, which means incredibly smooth motion and near-instant pixel response. Fast-paced shooters, racing titles, and competitive games feel fluid and sharp, with adaptive sync support helping eliminate tearing and stutter. HDMI 2.1 support allows 4K at 240 Hz, making it a strong choice for both high-end PCs and modern consoles. The sleek white design adds a clean, premium look to any setup, and it's fully adjustable for comfort. The glossy screen can reflect light in bright rooms, but with proper placement, the image quality is outstanding. Overall, this is a high-performance 4K monitor built for next-level gaming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.